Hello! In this short tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create products in the system. StableMaster allows you to bill customers for any product you create. Products can be pretty much anything you wish. A few examples are DAC rental, livery charges, merchandise, entry fees for a competition. The possibilities are, in fact, endless. You can add products to any invoice, and attach custom pricing if you wish. Okay, let's add a few products, and demonstrate how to bill for them. Head over to the settings page and click on the products icon. As you can see, we've already created a few custom products for you. Why not go ahead and edit these to get you started, then add as many as you like. Give the product a meaningful name. Assign it a category. Allocate a price for the product, you can discount this later when you raise the invoice. And finally, provide a description. Okay. Now let's bill a customer for this product. We will head over to the invoicing feature and create a new invoice. Select the customer. We will use today's date. This invoice is raised by Maddie. Select our new product. Input the price. Add more products if you wish. Then click Save. The invoice is currently in draft and has not been issued. Click on Raise Invoice to issue the invoice, then you have the option to email the customer the invoice. As you can see, the invoice is raised but not paid. You can learn more about raising invoices by watching the separate billing tutorial. Okay, you have seen how products can be added and billed against. Go ahead and set up your products, and don't forget products can be added and amended at any time. That concludes this tutorial. In the next video, we will look at the reports available to you in StableMaster. Thanks.